Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create a storage account in Microsoft Azure step by step. Whether you are storing files, hosting a static website, or backing up data, a storage account is the first thing you will need. Okay, let's get started. First open your browser and go to the portal.azure.com. Here I am in already. Okay, so in the search bar at the top, type storage account and select it from the list. Click on create button to start creating a new storage account. Under the basic tab, fill in the required details. Choose your subscription, select or create a new resource group. Okay, so for now I am selecting demo 01. You can also create a new resource group from this button and type the name and click OK. Okay. Enter a unique name for your storage account. Select the region closer to your users or service. I am selecting Central India. So here something called a primary service. Okay. So depending on the requirement, we have to select the service type in the storage account. The Azure Storage Account has multiple services like Blob, files, tables and queues. For now I am selecting Azure Blob storage. Okay, so you can select the required service. Okay, so next choose the performance. Standard is cost effective, premium offers high speed SSD storage. Then select redundancy options. LRS, locally redundant storage. Okay, recommended for development and testing purpose. GRS, geo redundant storage, recommended for production. Click next. Leave other tabs default. Okay, click on next. So you can create a private endpoint if you want to access the storage account using the private network. Right now I am keeping it public. Keep other tabs default and click on review and create button. That's it. In few seconds your Azure storage account will be ready to use. Click on go to resource button. In the next video we are going to learn how to create containers, file storage, queues, tables and how to use them. We are done. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more Azure tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. I will be happy to help.